Oh my god.
Welcome back to Age Dimension. Today I have the Hot Wheels Corkscrew Crash, and it's massive. It's so huge, and it comes with one car, but it needs three, so I brought my extra cars. And I have my Hot Wheels mat here, so let's get to unboxing. This Hot Wheels set comes with one drop-in ramp, 3 motorized speed boosters with batteries, crazy corkscrews, which are the loops, extra car storage. It comes with a launch into the action booster, which is here. Complete the corkscrew, so you have to go around here all the time. And the last one, time it wrong and crash out. So if you go across, this car's going across and one's going here, they're gonna both crash. Let's see if I can make them not crash. Let's get to unboxing. Alright guys, so this is an action set. So it's ages 4 to 10. Let's unbox this. Guys, I did it. Look. Top wheels are done. Oops, this is the wrong car, but we can use it. Vroom, vroom. Oh, there's a car here. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Let's try this car. I can put them in here on the ramp. Another car. Which one do I choose?
Oh my god.
Whoa! But I don't even know what is. Oh, he crashed it. He was too slow.
Oh my god.
Whoa! He fell. He was too fast. He's so fast. Yeah. He knocked him off. I feel like he's gonna get my hand squished by the car. It's going so fast. Tell me down below if I should try to catch it. Let's try to
fast.
I don't think it's gonna fit through there. Oh, it
Oh,
really does. Both of them.
So fast.
I know. He's too full. 1, 2, 3. Oh, one up here. I don't think no one can beat his speed. Wheels are spinning. Another car here. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! You saw that? I just launched this car here, and then this car went down and it crushed it. Oh. Right, right. Two cars. Track. I jammed it. Four cars! Ah! We did it! Oh, cool! I don't want to touch the car, it's gonna explode my hand. Oh! They don't even let me give time to put it in. Oh, just bad time. Oh, he crashed. Upside down. One more car. Let's go. Oh my God. Do not touch the car, Dodo. No. No. I jammed it. Okay, so hope you like this. Track was awesome. So I also forgot to show you guys the car storage. So the back of the car leans on this wall so it doesn't come out. And then whenever you want to play, you can take them out and launch them in. Okay, so as you can see, that's the Hot Wheels track. So I don't know if you noticed about my new fish tank. It's so big that I have big poppers. Those are the poppers, the black ones, and those are green terrors. I got some trees and plants, and that's a tiger silver-nose catfish. They have whiskers like cats, and Jack. So stay tuned for my next video. So that's it for today. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, from me to the bye.